Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1976 Triumph Tr6 Convertible, final year for the Tr6. This car is finished in its original colors of spectacular British racing green, tan interior, tan top and top boot. Really lovely little car, 4-speed, factory overdrive, disc wheels, so sort of the holy grail of the final year of the Tr6. Best colors with super desirable overdrive option. This car, it's from back east, and it had a pretty nice restoration, I think about 10 years ago, but beautifully still finished, presenting well. Really nice cosmetics. Great paint, couple little tiny blemishes I see, little tiny bubble there, and then a kind of a matching bubble over here. So maybe, you know, there was a luggage rack at one time and they welded it up, and just a couple little bubbles showing through there. Little ding on the bumper here I can see, but not too much else going on. I mean, really super sharp looking car with beautiful paint, and like I said, it's a final year Tr6, so not smog legal here in California, but plenty fine for all the other states. So, you know, pretty good gaps, really good straight body, like I said, excellent base coat, clear coat, super glossy paintwork all over it. That's the magic placard right there. So Tr6 final year with overdrive in spectacular colors. We just fitted a brand new set of these larger tires. The car came in with some smaller ones, but we've just fitted those and a new set of beauty rims to go along with it. Excellent interior here, as you can see. Really nice dashboard. Crash pads, the wood's nice and light. It's fitted with this MOTOLITA wood wheel. Crisp, beautiful, slightly darker carpets, but it just all goes beautifully together. So there you see wonderful restored interior to go with this exceptional paint. Nicely padded tan top boot. You can see back here everything's nicely trimmed out and upholstered. This is the magic button here. This is overdrive. We're going to be taking this car for a test drive shortly and see how it drives. But it's a local car that we bought in LA, and for the last 8 years it's been taken care of by a very good mechanic here in Southern California. So we expect mechanicals should be top notch on this one. So yeah, really attractive, lovely thing. Let's take a look at this car's trunk. So in the trunk we've got a lighter beige tonneau cover. We've got the original steering wheel here, which is in wonderful condition. Really nice original style steering wheel. Trunk's trimmed out properly with the trim kit. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. So really nice under here, solid aluminum valve cover. All the fluids look lovely and clean, all up to date. I think we're going to be ordering a new fan shroud for up front here and installing that as part of our little tune-up and tidy up on this one. But yeah, beautifully clean green, dark green engine compartment. So like I said, this car was born in these colors. Good fitting hood. This car was born British Racing Green Tan as you see it now. You can see there the build date is June of '76, and that O suffix after the U there denotes factory overdrive. Paint color 75, trim 74. I looked at those colors, and it's Triumph Racing Green on new tan, on tan interior. So, but yeah, there it is, just an absolute stunner of a TR6 final year, and arguably the best color scheme there is on these British sports cars. 1976 Triumph Tr6 Convertible, British Racing Green tan with tan top and top boot, and beige tonneau cover, 4-speed with factory overdrive, disc wheels. Very, very nicely restored car here, in, out, under, everywhere. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.